Hi everybody, you may get the opportunity to purchase a Samsung QN95B, and if you've gone online you'll see that it's got a fault, vibrating speakers. Well, I saw one, it was a clearance unit, last of the line. This was the 2022 Samsung flagship model, so this is a great TV, real cheap, 1,389 NZ. Went into the shop, turned up the sound. Perfect, no vibration. Purchased it, got it home, couldn't be happier. Great picture until a documentary came on. One of those Netflix ones with that music that's really low in tone, seems to always be on Netflix documentaries. Oh, what the hell is that? But online, you can't actually hear this vibration. I've never seen anybody who seems to have recorded it, so I have. And here it is, off a movie the other night, Mind Cage.
Okay then, I will talk to Dr. Loesch and see if we can get you some better meal options.
2 weeks before my execution, you think I'll be swayed by a new menu?
Extending the time in the art then.
I abhor physical exertion of any kind. No again, I'm afraid. But let's cut to the chase, shall we? I want my death sentence commuted to life in prison.
I'm afraid.
So, if you think that wasn't too bad, I'll tell you now, I had to stop watching the movie. Couldn't bear it. But there are solutions. Apparently, now I haven't tried this, but apparently if you stick screws, which I think are M8 screws, into the visor holes on the back of the TV with a rubber washer, then that is supposed to fix it. Kind of holds the back plate a bit closer, firmer to the TV. Haven't tried it. Looked at it, wasn't too sure whether that would work. So instead, hunted around for a sound bar, forgot what you called it, but couldn't find the plug. But what I did do is I took my Bluetooth speakers off of my computer, stuck it on, sounded fantastic. And when you do that, connecting by Bluetooth and apparently connecting by optical is the same, then the speakers on the TV turn off. Voila. So easy solution, around about 200, 250 NZ. Don't know how much the soundbar is, probably about the same. So it can be fixed, but Samsung, seriously? What were you doing?